I'm different from others because I am a kingdom steward. That you are in a local church, that is number one. You are in a local church for nutrition, for tools, for training, for empowerment, for your assignment. Hallelujah. Number two, wherever you are placed by the kingdom is for the assignment. In other words, if you're a kingdom steward, uzothola isikole, accept your university, accept your high school, uhambe uyongena esikoleni esithize, or uzothola umsebenzi, uqashwe enkampanini ethize, uqashwe kumasipala othize, uqashwe kwi-department ethize, or you will start a business and live in a certain place. Kube futhi business of a certain thing. Let me tell you, why is that? It's not your choosing. It's not your ability. It's not your passions. It's not because you have connections. It's because the kingdom assignment for you has a location. Every kingdom assignment has a place, has a time, has a season, has a person. So uNkulunkulu ukufaka endaweni ethile, aqalisa ibhizinisi elithile endaweni ethize, akwenza uqashwe endaweni ethize, yonke lento uNkulunkulu hayi uphethe uyenzela udumo lwakhe, kodwa uya-orchestratewa yonke lento ezulwini, i-orchestratelwa into yombuso. There is an assignment of God that is bigger than your paycheck. There is an assignment of God that is bigger than your salary. Yes, you will get the salary. What is the salary? Is the fuel, is the petrol, is the energizer for me to wake up again for my assignment. But why am I there? It's not for profit. It's not for salary. It's for kingdom. Somebody shout kingdom assignment.